everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with another miniature mini album. This is a 4x4 1/4 with about a 2-inch spine, and this paper is mostly black and cream, and there are flocked images. The front is flocked, you can hear it. The back is flocked and the spine is flocked. So it's nice to touch. And this is a DCWV paper sack. All the edges have been distressed with black soot by Tim Holtz. And let's get into it. The front is plain, so you can add pictures and or stickers or whatever you want. And this album has 4 different page types, 2 of each. Very similar to the rest of the album. So each page is covered with a pattern paper. And the back of every page is the same. It has a belly band and a stopper. There are 8 miniature file folders in it, and some of them are also flocked. And then these are like 3.5 by 2.5 or 3.25 by 2.25 tags. And then each pocket has a large pull-out tag with a reinforced hole you can put ribbon through if you'd like. One page is plain. That's one of the designs. There's your tag. I'm just going to leave them out. Why not? Let's leave them out. Again, there's the stopper. Here you go. And I'm putting these up on my Etsy shop. And I don't know if I told you guys, I just ran out of room for stuff, you know? And I've already, this is flocked, I've already given like everybody I know one, so it's time to purge. This is one of the page designs. It's a diagonal pocket. And that's more of the paper from the front. Tag. So there's 8 pages. This is nice. I want to say this reminds me of a vintage or maybe a wedding. It's black and cream. So I'm thinking, and with the flowers and the flocking, it's kind of Victorian to me. But you guys use your imagination. This is the same print that's on the spine. So flap up. And these flaps here measure 2 7/8 by 3 1/8. So a 3x2 landscape photo would fit on there. There we go. Another flocked one. And there we are, and that's the end of the book. I got a smudge here, but that would be covered. You can cover that with a sticker or something. I could cover it with a sticker. If you want me to cover that with a sticker and you want to purchase this on my Etsy shop, just leave me a message and say, hey, cover that with a matching sticker, and I shall accommodate. So there you go. I don't know if I've told you guys this I have a smoke-free home, but I have pets, so you see me just like, it was a dog hair. Hair's kind of like one of those things. I try not to get it in my adhesive, but if it's flocked, it's sticking to it. So, well, you guys have a wonderful day. Again, this will be on my Etsy shop, so if you are interested, please go take a look at it. And if you have any questions, let me know. I thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Oh, my Etsy shop is Scrapping Posh. My Instagram is Scrapping Posh. My Facebook group, Scrapping Posh Creation. Wait. Yeah, Scrapping Posh Creations. Alright, you guys have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.